Well, we're at the races, well, horse races, so we're going to do one of a sleep-in and suites. We're not actually at the horse races yet. We're with the beautiful wife because she's going to be bougie for a night, right? The TV does work. Yeah, it's been already, there was a drunk dude who pissed himself in the elevator. Sheets are clean. The lights work. Fun times. I didn't bring a blacklight because, hey, I'm on vacation, right? But we have coffee. They don't have one of those cool little things for everything to sit in. But they've got the coffee cups over here, little ice bucket, shampoo, conditioner. Actually, that's lotion and shampoo. And then you got the shower head. It's pretty far up there. And then you've got 2 hand towels and 2 regular towels. And that's it for the room. She's got to get dressed because we got to go shortly. As soon as I think he was across the bar, the street at that bar. And the dude literally like pissed himself. Oh, is it a strip club? We're gonna see. We're figuring he was over there, and wife says that's a strip club. I'm gonna look it up though. I'm gonna do the flop now. Oh. Wow, this thing is like super soft. Like literally, I don't know if you can tell, but like this is the plane of the bed. I just sunk in that far. So that's gonna be great. While she's getting dressed, I'm gonna go look at the rest of the hotel and see if I can see pool, gym, all that good shit. You know how it is. Overall, the place seems pretty nice. Bed's comfortable. I think it's gonna be okay. There is a pool and hot tub in here. Like seriously, it's not even out of work. And okay, it smells really musty, but the gym is actually a proper gym, and everything actually seems to be working. I'm pretty excited about that. Other than the fact that we're actually going to a gym in the morning. Yeah. Really nice looking. Oh, you can even see the breakfast room. And they actually have a little business center if you need to print something out. It's, yeah, pretty easy. Cheap, meaty, whatever, whatnot. Yeah, so like, looks like they're probably gonna have real breakfast, of course, waffles, things like that, coffee. So it is not a strip club. It is just a regular bar. No bar and grill kind of thing going on, but apparently it's rowdy enough for bouncers at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I just want you to know I have the hottest wife on earth. Secondly, though, there is kind of a musty smell. Would you say? To the building, and I don't know if it's just because it's been raining so much or what, but maybe. Yeah, we're on our way to horse races. Do you want to see? We'll throw a little bit of that in here just because. So. But Uber first. Well, we are at the horse races. It's been a great night, just so y'all know. We didn't record everything, but have fun.
I did. We're still having fun.
I'm the winner. She's a loser. She's only got like, you know, what do you want, like $4.20 so far? No, yeah. Wait, she got 14 bucks on those. She's up to 18 bucks so far.
Yeah, but really, how much did I really spend?
She spent all my money. I gave her the damn money. Idiot. Well, we're gonna sit up here and walk right down the track. Yeah, no. Yeah, I ain't gonna hold my phone out for that. Sorry. No, I mean three. That man was amazing. I slept great. It's time to get up and get coffee though. We hit the road. Well, I started getting showered. She didn't bring me coffee this time. All right, my love. How was the shower?
Actually pleasant. It was good.
How was the bed?
I don't know. I was pretty drunk, so I think anything would have worked.
Well, I thought it was really good. Okay, so towels? Come on, the towels were better than normal. Yeah, so overall, what'd you give in this place?
I would say 3.5 to 4. Just because of the smell of the place.
Okay.
And
All right.
the amount, the weird people that it attracts.
We're part of the weird people, and that's okay. I think she's referring to the drunk guy who peed in the elevator on the way to his room, who came from the bar across the street whenever we got here. It kind of set the tone for it that wasn't going to be a good deal, but actually, I've been further impressed. I'm going to go ahead and say I'm going to give this a 4.2 because it's a sleep-in. Yeah, I know, 4. We'll just call it a 4. Because it's a sleep-in, it's a choice, and the fact that the everything works, the pool, the gym, no issues with anything. So I'm pretty happy about it. Was breakfast good down there?
I saw it as just a waffle and then just continental like cereals. There wasn't anything really down there.
There was no meat, eggs, or nothing like that?
No.
Oh, I was wrong. Okay, my bad. All right, well, I'll catch you on the next one. She won't because she's got to stay home and spend the money, and I got to get on the road and make the money. So, later. By the way, I forgot to say, so that would have been $80 a night. We were there for 16 hours, so $5 an hour. I know, getting bad about that.